Making a new video for my exhaust, my duals. See it all the way up there. All welded, all nice. I'm actually gonna make it so you can see the truck. Kinda, there's a bush in the way, but you know it's there. I'm gonna rev it up a little. Can't do too much. Don't want to make the neighbors mad, but you get the gist of it. Like that. Just going around the block really quick. There we go. Just go around the block. Just see how it sounds during normal driving. A lot of stuff in the bed, so you can hear that a little. Truck's about to go to my house. I kind of need that. My new tires are coming in the mail. It's kind of weird, but hey, cheap and they're going to be good tires. So there you go. That was like it wasn't wide open throttle. It was like 3/4 throttle. It's a good amount, but you get the point. It's pretty loud. Sorry, it's